Welcome to ProducerMAX, an agent-centric tool. ProducerMAX was created by healthcare industry experts to help you manage your business the way you want. In this video, we are going to show you the features of the mobile app. To download the mobile app, go to the App Store in your mobile and search for ProducerMAX and click Download. ProducerMAX is a unique app designed for healthcare agents to track their clients and commissions. You can learn more from the website at www.producermax.com. ProducerMAX is different from other CRM tools. It stores your data in your device and works without the internet. Also, the app has multiple layers of security to make you compliant with HIPAA and NAIC cybersecurity laws. Now let's go check out this amazing app. Registration takes less than a minute and you get 1 month free subscription. On the first time launch of ProducerMAX mobile app, it asks you to enter your profile. Please enter accurate information as ProducerMAX uses this information to authenticate your access to connect to other devices. On successful registration, the app will show you a unique and private URL through which you can synchronize your book of business from your computer to your mobile device. If you didn't install ProducerMAX on your computer yet, we recommend that you install it so that you can easily import your book of business from carrier websites into the mobile app. For now, I'm skipping this step by clicking Sync Later. Now let's contact a customer. First, click the customer's icon in the bottom bar. On this screen, the app shows you a sample customer that is preloaded. You can call the customer from the app by clicking on the dial icon next to the customer, or you can text or email them by clicking on the dotted button next to the dial icon. If you synchronize your data from the computer app, then you can see all of your customers here. If you need help in loading your customers, please visit ProducerMAX website for support. The great thing about this feature is that it allows you to separate your client contacts from your personal contacts. Now let's check out how to add, edit, and view customers. First, click the Customers icon at the bottom bar in the home screen. Customer search screen appears with all of your customer names. Click on the Add icon at the top right corner. A new profile screen appears with blank fields. Enter your customer details and click the Save button at the top of the screen. Note that default status of the customer is active. You can change status to lead or ex-lead. To edit the profile of an existing customer, tap on the customer name in the customer search screen. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. The app shows you details of the customer. You can make any changes and click Save at the top of the screen. Now there's no more wasting time in search of client information. It's all at your fingertips. Now let's look at how to add, edit, and view plans to customers. First, click Customers at the bottom bar of the home screen and then tap on the customer name that you want to add a plan. The mobile app shows a plan screen with plans enrolled by the respective customer. Click the Add icon at the top right corner. The mobile app shows a new plan screen with default values. Fill the relevant fields in like carrier, plan category, plan name, policy start date, and click the Save button at the top. To edit an existing plan, tap on the plan name in the plan screen. The mobile app shows you an Edit Plan screen with all of the details. You can make required changes and click the Save button at the top. Please note that your monthly commissions get recalculated whenever you make changes to the plan and synchronize with your computer app. No longer will you have to deal with excuses from your customers asking about their plan details, because now you can instantly access your customers' plan details when they are on the phone. Now let's look at how to record notes within the mobile app. From the home screen, click the Customers icon at the bottom bar, and then tap on the customer name you want to add notes to. Click the Notes icon at the bottom of the screen. The mobile app shows you existing conversations that are already captured for the customer. Click on the Add icon at the top right corner. On the New Notes screen of the selected customer, click on the Notes field. The mobile app will show you a keyboard to enter your conversation summary with the customer. Note that you also have a mic icon. Instead of the keyboard, you can easily take notes with your voice. The app automatically converts your voice to text. Click the Save button at the top. To modify an existing note, tap on the note that you want to change in the Notes screen. The mobile app shows you the Edit Notes screen with the existing note. You can make required changes and click Save at the top. Agents say they are having more knowledgeable conversations after using ProducerMAX, especially because of this notes functionality. Now let's look at how to capture documents from the mobile camera. First, click on the customer's icon at the bottom bar in the home screen, and then tap on the customer name that you want to add or delete a document with. Click the Documents icon at the bottom of the screen. To capture a new document, click on the Add icon at the top right corner. The app shows the new document screen of the selected customer. Click on the camera icon to take a picture of the client document. You can edit the default name of the document. Click Save on the top right corner. Please note that all of your client documents, Medicare card, SOA, or prescription list, are encrypted and stored in a secured database so that you are HIPAA compliant. Agents love this feature because now they can safely, manually scan the documents and store them in a secure place. Now let's see how to add and track activities. The activity calendar is the home screen of the mobile app. Click on the Add icon in the top right corner in the activity calendar screen. The mobile app then shows you the new activity screen with default values in date and time fields. Fill the relevant fields like customer name, activity category, and status. Click the Save button at the top of the screen. You can now view the new activity in the activity calendar. You can change the view of the calendar from daily to weekly. Also, you can use left or right icons next to the date to navigate to a required date. To edit an existing activity, tap on the activity in the activity calendar screen. The mobile app shows you the Edit Activity screen, where you can make required changes to the activity like status and subject. Scheduling a follow-up activity or adding notes to the activity after it's complete is just the click of a button now. The power is in your hands with ProducerMAX. For more information, check us out at www.ProducerMAX.com.